Have you ever felt neglected for being who you are? What I mean by that is not being treated equally than others while being out in the world. Social justice issues of equality start off with intersocial that involves race, gender, age, and sexual orientation, religion, nationality, education, and mental or physical ability. Unequal government regulations do exist, but some private owned businesses, even big corporations, sometimes discriminate because of those intersocial. You may be at work, school, store, hospitals, etc., and you get discriminate for living in poverty, your sex preference, your religion, and just being sexist. These are issues that happen in everyday life. We have had so many crimes now where different people get killed without doing anything just because they are colored people that want to take a jog in the fresh air. There has been changes over the years, but one thing that never changes is everyone gets treated differently based on their skin color. If they have money or not, if they have education or not. I understand that not all humans that all humans live differently, and we do not all have the same mentality. However, we can all help each other out and if they are mentally capable. We must remain vigilant to our pursuit of social justice. Direct social inequality, like governmental legislations mandating segregation of school or public places along racial lines, indirect social inequality happens when you are treated unfair. For example, intersocial purchasing clothing that was made in sweatshops. Sweatshops laborers are overworked, underpaid, and often worked in unsafe working conditions. Even in this modern world we live in today, we still have tribes living in rainforest, islands, and any place that a modern person wouldn't be able to survive due to technological dependency. Tribes or any indigenous people still get discriminated when they live amongst us in this modern world. Even if we do not have a certification or a degree that says we're teachers, we are still teachers because of our multicultural environment. We need the knowledge, insight, and understanding of other cultures, religions, and ethnicity. If we all spoke the same language and all looked the same, we would still have problems. So why not enjoy someone else's culture that is different than yours in every way, that someone being the same as you in every way. In conclusion, bringing the community together by doing fundraisers will build up the community for each age group. The community will become stronger and united. Communication, knowledge, unity, honesty are the keys to life. All nationalities will have the opportunity to communicate and get to know each other and help each other out in anything. If that ever happens, I believe we will once live in harmony and peace.